What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. Guys, what we're going to do today, we're going to go over Thursday's game plan. We had an exciting day today. You had your homie Fed Pal in the building. Then you had some big shots record their earnings today, moving the market and continuing to move the market. We ain't worried about all that. We going to get after it. So, guys, before we jump into it, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get that notification. Let's see if we got anything that'll rock the markets in the morning. As you see, we got GDP at 8:30. We got initial jobless claims at 8:30. And then we got pending home sales at 10 o'clock. That will move the market. We ain't worried about that. We wait for a clear direction and then we get at it. Guys, let's go ahead and jump into it. First ticker up, ExxonMobil. They record earnings on Friday before the market close. If you're trying to ride the wave in this one, there's an opportunity to do so. They're sitting at 108.70 right now. If you are a bull, you want to see 109.50. They can open higher than that right there. They're going to start trying to make their move up. You got 110.40 and then boom, you got 111 on deck. To the downside, you start seeing them come down. You want to see them open lower than 108.40. They do that. Boom, you got 108 even. Next level down is going to be this little bottom right in here. Pay attention on the chart tomorrow. They start pulling down in here. Look for that double bottom. They're consolidating right there and they're going to try to boom it right back up. If they lose that level, then your next level down is going to be 107.50 and then boom, you got 106.90 on that. We'll handle in real time once they start taking out those areas. Next ticker up is going to be SBUX. Guys, we put this ticker out a week ago when we was in the 90s, 94 bucks to be exact. Look where SBUX is at now. They're at 109. They popped this thing all the way today. Earlier in the day, we got to 110.10 and they dropped this thing back down. Shout out to everybody that was able to get into this play, understand the assignment, and dominate the mission. Man, I am super proud of you guys. Keep grinding. But man, for the upside tomorrow, you want to see them get back above 109.45, next level up. Boom, you got that 110.10 area again, and then they can start running if they can hold above that. To the downside, you want to see them open somewhere around 108.60. They can do that. Next level down, 108.10. They start losing that. You got this stuff down here, 106.90. We'll handle in real time once they start breaking down and getting to that low. Guys, this is going to be a worthy to be mentioned. INTC, they have earnings tomorrow at closing. Guys, this is one that you can pay attention to. I know you guys out there want to gamble these earning plays. I still say that ain't my cup of tea, but I know it's some people out there that want to do it. Newbies and beginners, y'all stay away from Tesla, Palantir, Apple. Do not try to gamble that right there. Or if you do gamble, again, know what the assignment is. You know that if it goes against you, you're going to get smoked. And even if it goes your way, it really have to go your way in a good direction for you to get past all that other burn that the contracts do for earnings. However, if it is one for you to swing and you trying to get into and you ain't trying to pay that $350 contract price for earnings for a Tesla or NVIDIA, INTC, you can get into a play and it's not going to break the bank. That's if that's your idea of swinging earnings. INTC is one that you can get into and it ain't going to break the bank. But a loss is still a loss. If it goes against you, you're going to take that loss. Here we go, guys. Next ticker up. We going to do big ballers, shot callers. Where y'all at? I got Tesla on the map for you. They are currently sitting at 405.20. I'm not interested in this until they can get back over 415. They get back over 14, then my thoughts, I'm going to start getting excited. I'm going to start looking for 430, 450, 470 and start that run back up. Until they take over that level right there, I'm not interested in it. Scalpers, there's definitely money to be made in this play. in the route to 415 and back down to 390. You definitely can make some money there. It's interesting. I want to see where they hold at or where they open up tomorrow morning. I'll update the levels in the Discord tomorrow morning, but ain't no sense in even going through this one because we're sitting at 405.20 right now. We wake up in the morning, this thing could be at 388. It could be at 425. We're going to go ahead and jump right into the SPY. We're sitting at 603 even. If you are a bull, you want to see us open higher than 604.05. If we can do that right there, boom, you got to run the 605.30 on deck before they try to go even higher. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than this area right here. You got 601.70. We can do that. Boom, you got 655. Next level down is these bottoms right here at 599.20. We can lose that. They coming back lower. Last but not least, guys, we gonna throw AVGO out there for you guys. We called this play. I told you guys when I first put this play on the radar, I said, man, I like this one long term to the upside. I said, this ticker is priming. They're priming for a pop. And man, you see what this play did a couple days ago. We were sitting down here when I put this play out. We were down here 198. And look what these guys did. Man, we're sitting at 215. I put that as a bonus play today. Man, what I'm looking for in this play right here, and they already tinkered around this area, the 217 area, and then they pull it back a little bit. I'm waiting to see what happens right here at 218.40. If the bulls can hold that area right there, they are going to go crazy. You got this level way up here. Boom. You got 240 level that they can smack this thing back up to 240 and enjoy the trip. This is one to pay attention to and put it on your radar. If you're not already in this play, back when I called it, when it was around 190 something, if you was able to get that one, good job. But I told you this play was priming, and check where we at now. Funny thing that I was reading earlier, somebody said that, oh man, Fresh, I guess everybody got the notion that Fresh is a scalper. I am a scalper. They said Fresh don't do swing plays. Fresh identify with scalping. I love the thrill. I love the fast action. Make no mistake about it. I will kill a swing trade play in a heartbeat. And I do swing trade. And guys, look at the history. Pull up my swing trade plays that I done put out there. Find one that wasn't a banger. Every one of them. INTC. I put that on the map. They end up popping that thing. Caterpillar. CAT, ticker symbol CAT. That thing pumped almost 40 bucks. I identify with my go-to. I love scalping, but guys, if I put a swing play out there, you best pay attention to that because you already know if I'm putting it out there, what's going to happen. I think swing trading is a heck of a lot easier than scalping. There you go. Had to get that out right there, guys. Make no mistake about it. Swing trading, scalping, it don't matter what it is. We knocking them out of the ballpark. There you go. With that one right there, just be cautious on that. On the downside, as every play has a up and a down story. You want to see them start losing this area right in here at 210. If they can start pulling back to 210, next level down, they're going to try to run this back down to 206. And then, boom, you got 203.70. We'll handle in real time once they start taking out those areas. But long term, I like to the long term. I said it once, I said it again. I think that this one is priming before it launched those space rockets behind it. Guys, another one that I called out, Meta. I think on Sunday's video, I told y'all don't rule out a 700 pop. And as you see with Meta is sitting at 694 as we speak. They're cooking right now. That's another one to pay attention to. And if it starts going crazy, we'll put some levels on that one tomorrow. Pay attention to Apple. Apple has earnings tomorrow. They're sitting at 240 right now. If Apple start booming tomorrow and make the market pop, a few of your other tickers going to follow right along with it. I'm anxious to see what Apple reports. But guys, today was a fun day. I hope everybody was out there grinding and didn't get greedy around PAL time because we know what PAL do to the market. I want to show some love to H Will 50, D Fresh, man, I really appreciate the level you called out in last night's video on NVIDIA. I finally made $100. I've been trying to make that for months and I always came up short. I was about to give up and I prayed and something told me to take a different approach and I did and things changed. I made that $100. Now I see that it's possible, but I made more now than I ever made in options. It helped me to build my confidence in myself. Bro, I really appreciate it. I wish you the best. I hope you to continue to get better. Much love. No, man, much love to you. The pleasure is all mine. I am so excited that you hit that $100. You knocked it out of the ballpark. Man, don't even worry about that $100. You said that you don't think that that's much. Man, $100 is $100. $100 is better than no $100. Guys, we got to stop thinking that we got to hit that $100. Pay attention to the percentages, guys. If you take that 10, 15, 20, 25, 30% range, man, if you a Nubian beginner, even more this testimony right here. See what happens when you taking that 20 and that 30% and not waiting for that grand slam. Forget the home run, man. Let's get the base hits. Let's build up that portfolio. Then we go for that grand slam. Wait till the bases is loaded and knock that thing out of the ballpark. Let's build first. Nothing was built overnight. Rome wasn't built overnight. It took time. No one got this market down packed overnight. It took time. Same thing with you guys, man. It seemed like everything is all in your way right now. I can't understand this. Every time I jump into the play, it goes the other way. Man, that's just Wall Street messing with you, trying to make you give up. We ain't giving up, man. We gonna keep studying. We gonna keep grinding and we gonna dominate this market. The more of us dominate this thing right here, the more millionaires we make out there in the world. I just wanted to show him some love. Champagne bottles in the air. I am super duper proud of you. Keep grinding, my guy. But guys that's watching, that's not in the Discord, y'all better get in the Discord. That way you get access to my full list of morning call outs as well as the technical analysis breakdowns on the top plays throughout the session. Because, guys, we knocking these plays out the ballpark. If you see right out of the gate, we hit that AVGO, boom, knocked that thing. We killed that thing. Said, I told y'all I like this one long term. Might get some pullback, but this one is priming. And we got that pullback. And you see where we at now? That's a $10 increase right there. So, guys, we killing it. We killing it every single day. We dominating. Y'all already know what time it is. Can't wait to see you guys in the morning. But, hey, I done took enough of your time. But if you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, HUT, Hood, Nike, go ahead and tap into the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it.